eBusinessTraffic.com is a website that provides a range of services designed to help online businesses drive more traffic to their websites and ultimately boost their revenue. With a focus on delivering high-quality, targeted traffic, eBusinessTraffic.com has become a trusted partner for businesses looking to increase their online visibility and drive sales. One of the key services offered by eBusinessTraffic.com is their targeted traffic packages. These packages allow businesses to choose from a range of targeted traffic sources, such as social media platforms, search engines, and other popular websites, to drive highly qualified visitors to their site. With a range of packages to choose from, businesses can find the one that best suits their needs and budget. Another important service provided by eBusinessTraffic.com is their solo ad service. Solo ads are a type of online advertising where an advertiser pays to send a promotional message to a targeted list of subscribers owned by someone else, typically an email list. eBusinessTraffic.com has a large and highly engaged email list that businesses can use to reach their target audience with their message. With a focus on delivering high-quality clicks and conversions, eBusinessTraffic.com's solo ad service is a valuable tool for businesses looking to increase their sales and grow their customer base. In addition to these traffic services, eBusinessTraffic.com also offers a range of other products and services to help businesses improve their online presence. This includes social media marketing, SEO optimization, and website design and development. With a team of experienced professionals, eBusinessTraffic.com is able to offer businesses a complete suite of solutions to help them achieve their online marketing goals. One of the key benefits of working with eBusinessTraffic.com is their focus on providing high-quality traffic and services. Unlike other traffic providers that may use bots or low-quality traffic sources to deliver clicks, eBusinessTraffic.com is committed to delivering real, engaged visitors that are more likely to convert into customers. This dedication to quality has helped eBusinessTraffic.com establish a strong reputation in the online marketing community and has made them a popular choice among businesses of all sizes and niches. Overall, eBusinessTraffic.com is a valuable resource for any business looking to increase their online traffic and grow their revenue. With a range of targeted traffic packages, solo ad services, and other online marketing solutions, eBusinessTraffic.com offers businesses a complete suite of solutions to help them achieve their goals. With a focus on quality and results, eBusinessTraffic.com is a trusted partner for businesses looking to succeed online.